get them. However, now we move over to North America, where the US Supreme Court will decide on the legality of President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, a major test of his executive power and trade agenda. The court has fast-tracked the case, with arguments set for November. This comes as a lower court had ruled that Trump overstepped his authority by using the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose the tariffs, though they remain in effect. Trump has used tariffs to pressure countries like China, Canada and Mexico, arguing they address national security and drug trafficking. We're now joined by Major Dr. Mohammed Ali Shah. He is a geopolitical expert and he joins us live for New Delhi. We don't have much time, Major General. If you could just quickly give us your thoughts on this situation coming out of the United States.
Right. You know, President Trump, when he was coming into power, I remember the statement made by him, in fact, this year itself in January. He said, if he comes to power, he will stop all the wars. He will send out the illegal immigrants. He had three main objectives. There were many other points, and one was on tariffs. Now tell me one thing, we can ask our audience, 25% of tariffs imposed on India. Furthermore, 25% more imposed, which means 50% tariffs imposed on India. Is it fair? We have so many NRIs living in US. They are living in constant fear. I hope I'm not deported. I hope my citizenship is not snatched. I don't think people who have citizenship need to worry about it. I don't think that can be done. The president cannot suddenly be a dictator and, see, he gives a statement and he turns around after giving one statement. He says something, does something else. That's rather unpredictable. At least Kim Jong-un in Korea, we find the dictator at least sticks to what he's saying. I'm not appreciating Kim Jong-un, but if you are a dictator, be a dictator. You cannot say something and do something else. So now, the very fact is, it has really affected India-America relationship. We had very good terms with Americans. We had our leadership, we always revered the Americans. Everyone does. They are superpower. They are the power of the dollar. Everyone looks up to America. But then, when you have a global leader sitting on top at the helm, and it is rather irresponsible when you are giving out a loose tweet as well, for a small thing, for anything. It's rather irresponsible. So I think it's still not too late. It's still not too late. India and America are still friends. There's nothing, we don't take things to heart. I think things can be amended still.
Yes.
So I always feel positively. I think things can still be amended.
Yes, thank you very much, Major General Ali Shah, for joining us here on the programme. We now move over to